Okay, who give you that? That's Nana.
Nana Lorna.
Up mo muna dito.
Nana Lorna.
Let's see. Okay, in front. Okay, next.
Next, like, I'll just put right here. Next is the pants.
That's who. Came from who also? That's Nana Lorna.
It looks so nice. Next is the dress, I think. I don't know.
It came from
Lolo.
Lolo. Itaas mo. Paano makikita nila? There.
The same color.
Okay, next.
Next is my favorite.
Came from
Nana.
Nana. Out mo muna ka, Nana. Anika. Okay, next. Gantahan naman. Kita panty.
Next is Nananka.
Oh, put it in your lap. There.
Next is
From who? That came from Mama. Show to them.
I have a gift already.
Okay, next. Put it in your lap lang.
You have two presents already. And oh my gosh, they're so cute.
It came from Lolo.
Hey.
That's it.
Last one came from Mama.
Hey, Lolo yan.
Lolo?
Hmm.
Why 3 for Lolo? You won now. That's it.
Marami si Lolo eh. Next.
Next is Mother's present to wear.
Next.
Can you take off my slippers?
Yeah.
It's from Ninang.
Ninang ho. Read the message.
To baby Alexa, happy birthday, 6th birthday, wait,
Louder.
to baby Alexa, happy 6th birthday, love, sorry?
Okay, open.
Present. Present. You feel nice. Yes. There's the clothes. I'll put it right there. And there's the shorts.
Okay, next.
Open this thing out.
Punitin mo. Eh. Pag napunit mo yan, sa'yo yan. Okay, butasin mo. Eh, yan na, napunit na oh. Hindi, sige. Ako, parang walang kain. One by one, one by one, one by one. Ay, tabi mo muna yung big. There. Oh, one by one. Open. Yan, open mo. That came from? Who? Who? Ninang An?
That's from your money.
That's for your money, for your pupu.
For your poo-poo.
Up mo! Bilis. Oh, see, yan ang kinita ng yung pupu. Nice, no? Mamaya, sukat mo. Go. Next. One by one first. Guys, yan yung nasahod ni Alexa sa... akin yan.
This ugly.
Sabi mo, gusto mo yung pink na ganyan.
Just a little bit.
Oh, lagay mo na. Mamaya mo na buksan. Mamaya mo na buksan. Pang last yan. Guys, yan yung nasahod ni Alexa. Nasahod ni Alexa sa pupo niya. Yan, binili lahat. Binili lang niya lahat, oh. Okay na yan, kasya na. Nakasahod na si Alexa sa pupo. Kaya yan. Yan ang ano niya. Yan yung sahod niya. Maganda nga, no? Wow, nice, oh. Look at the other one. The terno is sexy. Ayan, oh. May terno yan, oh. Oh. Sahod ni Alexa yan sa pupo.
The second of this one.
Okay.
I want this to make the second.
Okay. Mayroon pang laman yun, wala na. There's pa? Meron pa yan.
This what I want to play here.
Ang bagal naman. Ano yan? Kalimutan ko na, te.
What is this?
Oh, yan yung pang pang beach. No, hindi siya swimsuit. Pwede siyang pwedeng pang beach, pwedeng pang swimsuit. Buksan mo maigi. Okay, go. Dami pala. Oh, guys, so hindi na siya logi.
This is the last one in here.
Lahat ng sahod niya sa pupo, yan.
How to do this the next?
Binili namin ng ganyan. Kasi sabi dati ni Ate Sally, magpupo daw ako. Sabi ko ayaw ko kasi hindi ko na kaya dahil nasa YouTube na ako. Sabi ni Ate Sally, magpupo ka lang, gumawa ka ng account ng pupo, ikaw mag-live, ako na ang bahala, mag-crown set, wala akong alam sa mga ganyan, guys. Sabi ko, sige, gagawa ako ng account ng pupo. Pag nakasahod, kay Alexa mo pupunta. Ayan, guys, nakasahod naman na kami. May tali kasi, anak.
And this is hard to open.
Yeah, may tali kasi. Oh, wag na yan, wag mo. Yeah, may tali kasi yan dyan, eh.
This is flower right here.
Oh, okay na. Next.
Next is this.
Ayan yung bunga ng pupo ni Alexa.
Why do you think poo-poo?
Nagpupo si Alexa. Ayan, nice pala yan, oh.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh. All is from beach. Ayan mo lang dyan. Open mo. Summer talaga lahat yan. Wow. Tamang-tama sa bakasyon.
Next is...
Last one is pink. What's that?
No, this is the other one, Ma.
Where is pa? There is pa?
Oh yeah, last one.
Where?
Inside there. I want to open it. I want to show you the last two. This one.
Wow. Read it. Lit.
Wait, little. How do you see?
Little. Friend. Read it.
I can't.
Letter friend.
Little princess.
Oh, tino nga. Maganda nga tino. Cotton talaga siya. Oh. Where's the pants?
Here.
Kasi sulit yung live. Wala na.
Who's this last one?
There's a last one pati. Yung bracelet niya. Oh.
How do you open this card?
Yan guys, yung ano niya, mga regalo niya sa birthday. Ayan. And there's a last one pa. And there's the last one. Presents came from...
Wait lang. The last one I like to say it yet.
Dami niyang damit, oh. Oh, don't lose that, ha? Oh, si Aiso dati, oh. Like it?
Rainbow, flower, unicorn.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, last one.
And the last present is...
Ta-da!
What's that?
Lego. I
Huwag mong ibuksan lang. Ipakita mo lang yung box.
And I think they share rooms. I think this is the outside. And then
Melody what?
Melody and Kuromi.
Melody ang Kuromi. Wow.
I think they share a room.
Yan ang pinaka-expensive na gift.
I think they share rooms with me.
Okay, what did you
Because I
say?
think that
What did you say?